Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you use Siri on your Apple device without the internet connection. So guys, if you want to use Siri without internet connection, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and now go to your Siri and search, and from here tap on listen for, and from here you have to select the phrase for listening. Here you have to select anyone like Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Here I am selecting Hey Siri, and from here you have to simply enable Siri on your device. So I simply tap on continue to set up Siri. Hey Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. So guys, once the Siri is ready, simply tap on done button, and after this close the window and ask Siri anything. Hey Siri, how are you?
Hey, I can't complain. Thanks for asking.
So guys, here you can see this, it is being used, and now I am turning off the internet connection, and after this close the window, and now again try to ask Siri for anything. Hey Siri, how are you?
I'm happy to be here.
So guys, here you can see this, I have turned off my internet connection. So guys, here you can see this. Hey Siri, what is the time?
It's 11:53 p.m.
So guys, here you can see this, it is being used. So guys, in this way you can also use Siri without internet connection. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.